Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install OpenSSL in a Windows machine. So I have one website here. If you can check, I have one website. Then I'll just try to use that website. I'll copy the link and I'll download OpenSSL first. So the website name is slprowave.com/products.html. I'll open this. First click on 132, 164 OpenSSL. Then you can go to uh, you can either download .exe file or .msi file, whichever you want you can download and download this 5M installer. So here I downloaded MSI file. So here it is showing whether it is a trusted one or yes I want to keep this file and I'll keep in the show more and keep anyway. So now I got the MSI, right? So here I'm trying to install this one. I accept, next, next. So it is telling the program already exists. So as it is already exists, I know I'm not going to install it. But if you want to install it, you can click next, next, and finish it. So it will make install. After installation, so our first when we'll check in command prompt, we normally open command prompt from the start, and we check open SSL version. As I have already installed OpenSSL, as you can see in my control panel, uninstall a program here. If you see, I have installed OpenSSL Lite 3.3.1. That is what it is also showing here. As I have already installed, I can see the result is coming when I'm running this OpenSSL version command. Uh, so to make this OpenSSL as the default directory, you can you can follow this process. You need to go to C drive. You can find one folder name is called program files. Uh, in the program files, you will be having one folder. It's called OpenSSL, right? OpenSSL 164. Then you can go inside bin and you will find one path. So you can collect this path and go to search button and type edit the system environment variables. And here in this window, click on environment variables and click on path and edit. So now in the second line, you can put that path which we took from program files OpenSSL Win64 bin, and you just place that file here and OK, click on OK, click on OK, and click on apply OK. So now after you click, if your command prompt is already opened, you can close the command prompt and again you can open that command prompt here from the start. Now you can type open SSL version. Now you can see we have successfully installed OpenSSL in a Windows machine. Thank you.